Okay, let me show you how you can turn these quick drawings into realistic renders like these using AI just in seconds. For this, we will use Stable Diffusion AI. Stable Diffusion is an open source deep learning text-to-image model. If you ever heard of Midjourney or DALL-E, it is similar to them. In addition to that, we also need ControlNet extension. This allows us to have more control over the process. Then go ahead and start Stable Diffusion. If you don't have it installed, I placed a great tutorial in the video description. You can check it from there. It will take some time to start it. Once you have this URL, just copy and paste it to your web browser. And here is the Stable Diffusion user interface. You can choose which model you want to use in this part. For this video, I'm going to use Realistic Vision 1.4 model. I tried many different ones and I get the best result using this model. Again, you can find all the tools and websites you need in the video description. You have text to image and image to image options here at the top. You can choose which one you want to use. I'm going to use text to image version with ControlNet enabled. There are hundreds of settings, so you can feel overwhelmed, but you don't need to change much to get good results. Most of the settings you can just leave as default. Go ahead and upload your drawing that you want to use as a reference in this section inside ControlNet. Adjust the image size, and then you can start typing your text description. In your prompt, try to use as many keywords as possible. Describe how you imagine this space, try to specify lighting, type, different materials, etc. Don't forget to click on Enable button for ControlNet, otherwise it will only use text as an input. You also need to choose one of the models for ControlNet. There are several different ones you can pick. They all create different base images. And here are some of them compared with the same image input. You can find more information related to this model on the ControlNet paper. I will use Scribble model for this version. I think that one gives the best results for drawings like this. Make sure everything looks okay and then press generate. For the first generation, it will take some extra time to load all the necessary models and information, and the next ones will be faster. As you can see here, I tried to create different versions using different keywords in my text description. You can find all the images we generated in the outputs folder inside Stable Diffusion. Choose text to image folder and then find the current date. Here are all of the images we generated so far. I tried some different keywords for the final versions. And here are some of the results. I think it's so amazing what you can create just from your quick conceptual drawings and be able to show your ideas to others. I have another drawing for an exterior view this time. I will upload that and try to create a render for an exterior view. I did not change the settings much, just added my new drawing and my new text description. Again, for this view, I try to use different keywords. Please let me know what you think about the final images in the comments below. I completely agree that it is not so great to rely on these AI tools to do certain tasks for us, but why not use them to make our lives easier? Especially in the early days of a project, when you have to present your ideas to others but you don't have anything else than many quick conceptual drawings, you can use AI now to help you improve your quality of presentation. But I think at the same time, it is also somehow possible to inspire from some of the images you generated to try out different forms and materials for your new design. So this was more of an overall video to show what is possible to do now using these tools. So if you want more detailed video how to do it, please let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about these new AI tools and see you in the next video.